This Torah class is brought to you by TorahAnytime.com.
1 second. Stop. Okay, now let's do Seif Membez. Let's do Seif Membez. Shin shel Tefillin. The Shin of Tefillin halach l'Moshe Misina sheyasa ba'ar habatim shel rosh kamin Shin boiletes. So halach l'Moshe Misina you should make in the hide of the bottom of the rosh like a Shin that protrudes mikimte ha'ar from the creases of the leather. Echad miyimin echad mitzvah, one on the right, one on the left. Shal yamin haminiach. On the right side of the one wearing it, shall gimel rashim. The Shin has 3 heads. V'shal small of the left. Haminiach shall arba rashim. It has 4 heads, which is a pella. Why do we have 4 heads on the Shin? But there's an interesting Ben Ish Chai and Ben Yoyada who says it represents the 600 or 700 Sidrei Mishnah that used to be before it was lost. Says Rama Hago Miu im hipach einoy nifsal. If you flip it around, it's not possible. Says the Mishna Berura. Halacha Moshe Misinai. Ve'im niskalkel hashin ve'einoy nikar. If the Shin got ruined. Let's see if we could get this on the screen here. The Shin got ruined. So it's not nikar like over here. Tzarech l'saknei mechadosh. You gotta fix it anew. Dumya of niskaka ribua mavor b'samach. Similar to if it lost its squareness, you have to do it anew. Even though before we brought it was a yesh oimrim if it loses its squareness, if you have to fix it, but we said that that's unanimous. Kamin Shin. Kuf Tzadi Aleph. Like a Shin boiletes. Umashma ba'achroinim. The Temuna Shinin Shalon Shanoisim Tefillin Dai Deloy Beina Dafka Ksav Stam Mamish Elo Dugma Uminok Soifrim Kayoim Beizim Kos Lahado Asosim Ksav Ashuras Mamish. He says that the image of our Shin that we make in the Tefillin, it doesn't have to be Ksav Ashuras, Ksav Stam Mamish. Meaning, it's like a Shin, but it could be a Shin as long as it looks like a Shin. It doesn't have to be any specific kind of Shin like you write in a Sefer Torah. Meaning again, let's read that again. The Temuna Shin and Shalanu, our picture of a Shin, Shanu Oisin, Betfilim die. That's enough. Meaning our regular Shin is enough to like dafka ksav stam mamish. You don't have to make it mamish a siva ashuris of Shin. Look in the Bir Halacha. Shin shel tfon alach mashnik my Shin. I mishmer dafuk ksav shalanu ela dugmahu. It's only a dugma. The letter Shin is only a dugma. Mehabach. This comes from the Bach. Ulefizeh yesh la'ayim b'mad pasak hanun aleph. I don't have what that is. The Nishmas Adam dim yesh ktsas hefsek ben hayud lahashin dahainu shein magia b'shula yatar the ma'akib b'diyav kum zev the chayla abach efshad the ragel chadil tzov zar bladly kuv. In other words, let's say you have like this in picture Gimel, where the middle head doesn't reach the bottom. According to the Bach, it's not a din. It has to be the ois Shin. It has to look like a Shin. So it could be it's not ma'akev. Fine. Simkatim kuf tzadik beis boiletes v'masa Shin b'klaf acher v'hidbik b'davek al abayis pasal. Let's say you made a Shin on a different piece of cloth, and you glued it on. It's pasal. Mekamed ha'ar. You wrinkle the leather. The hanish mekamed ha'ar b'malaked. You use a instrument to wrinkle the leather. Ayidei kfila. By doubling it over, until it becomes the branches of a Shin. So you basically double it over with some kind of instrument so that it protrudes. To use a mold, that is, if you have a image, you have a mold with a protruding shin, and you push the mold into the hide, shin ayin betaz. Umagin Avram, the Achron Ramash is better not to do this. Knesses Agdola b'shem Chubas Harama Kasav the Zo Yoiser Hider. Knesses Agdola brings from Ramami Pano that this is better. V'chein Aminik Pasha Kayoim La Soisim B'Tpus Mavnei Shaydeza Yeshal Toyer Shin B'Chol Yuseha V'Ziyuna. This way, it has the image of a shin in its components. V'Zivuna, I guess, in its splendor. Yoiser mehashin hamikumetes meha'ar, as opposed to just squeezing it and wrinkling it. If you wanted to have the beauty of a shin and the components of a shin, if you use a mold, it comes out better. The right side should be three-headed. We go by the yamin and smile of the world. Doesn't matter whether you're a righty or a lefty. Now this is talking about the Tefillin Shel Rosh, obviously. Tefillin Shel Yad doesn't have anything. So I don't know, why would you think it makes a difference? They're not like right-brained. I guess there are right-brained people and left-brained people. But it doesn't matter. Tuf tzadi hey, einoi nifsal. If you're mahapich, it's not pasal. Avam asa b'shnei etzadim rak shin shel shosh rozim arba pasal. If both sides of the shin were 3 or 4, it's possible. Kol shekein mchisa legamri shinechad. Certainly, if you're missing a shin on one side, it's going to be pasal. Okay, Rabbi, say thank you very much. We'll hold it over here, and tomorrow we will go for Seif Mem Gimel, and we'll at least for now we're a day ahead. Thank you very much. Bracha v'hatzlacha.
Rabbi Glatstein.
You've just experienced another Torah class brought to you by TorahAnytime.com.